Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on some hair I received from Rosabeauty.com, and they sent me a 613 deep wave front lace wig. It's the transparent lace and it's in 22-inch, and it's the HD transparent lace. So anyway, the hair came in the 613 color, and so we decided to go with a color. So instead of just doing a 613, we did a watercolor on it, and it's called Midnight Blue through the brand Temptation, I believe. And they have a lot of different colors anyway, but we did the midnight blue color, moonlight blue, I'm sorry. And it took us about 3 to 4 different applications, because we were just trying to get the color just right before the color actually took to the color blue. Like, it's like that blue color that you see in the water. So yeah, we just did that about maybe 4 times. Did the application about 4 times, let it soak in there, and the first couple of times it came out like a greenish color, so we knew we wanted it more blue. So that's Cachet Olivia. See, that's the color right there, and she's doing the watercolor. So she's getting it prepared to get it put on. So it's taking the color very well, but it just takes a few applications, and it's plenty of enough color in that bottle to turn the hair the color that you want it to get. It just depends on how light or how dark you want. And also, we realized that you don't want to add too much water on that 613 hair if you want the color more saturated. So anyway, we're just going through and doing another application of the moonlight blue until we get it to the color that we want. Okay, so we got the hair dyed. The color we wanted is true to that moonlight blue color that we were trying to get. And also we went in and did the roots like a black color. So we just did a permanent color and turned the roots dark. And so now I've already done the ball cap method. If you need help with the ball cap method, you can refer back to some of my older videos, and I might do an updated video later on about how to do the ball cap method. But anyway, I just put some makeup on, sprayed some Got to Be, let her dry, and then cut the excess off once it's dry. So here I'm just taking a elf steepling brush and then some concealer that's a little bit darker than her hair color because that lace color on those HD and transparent lace wigs, they are really not meant for brown girls. They're you know, for lighter skinned people, or people that's lighter than her skin color. So you need to go in and either tint it, and we would have tinted, but we was out of everything that day. So I just went in with that concealer and just made the lace more closer to her hair color. So that's what I'm using, that elf steepling brush. You can use whatever you have, if you have a sponge or whatever you need to use. So yeah, anyway, I'm going in with some 91% alcohol, and I'm just cleaning off her ears and forehead so that we can be able to melt the lace down pretty well. And so I'm just making sure that it fits right and is sitting where it needs to be sat at, and just adjusting the wig and getting it clipped back. So this time we decided not to cut the lace after applying the glue. We decided to go ahead and cut the lace first and then apply the glue. And it's because this wig is the frontal wig, so it doesn't have much lace over the ears. And yeah, we just went ahead on and cut the lace off first and then did our gluing. So yeah, I'm just going in to make sure that there is no like really light parts of that lace anywhere, in case we have extra lace in front. I don't want it to be showing. So yeah, I'm just going in, I'm cutting off the excess lace right now, and you just want to kind of cut in a zigzag motion. Really, I don't even think it matters too much because I'm cutting in a zigzag motion, but it still looks straight. But you can use a razor or like the eyebrow archer will help you get the lace cut off where it doesn't look so apparent. You won't be able to see it so well before it's glued down. So yeah, I'm just gonna fold the wig back and do it like we used to do. So today I was out of the ghost bun. I told y'all I was out of everything, and this is my backup glue. This is that Eben glue. I believe they make edge control too at the beauty supply. And this glue right here is very inexpensive, but this is what I have on hand in case I run out of the ghost bun or something, because we are nowhere near a beauty supply, and so I just have to have something for backup just in case. So anyway, it's that Eben glue, and then I'm gonna do exactly the same way I do with the ghost bun and apply 3 layers. You can apply 3 to 4 layers, and you just want to let it dry like pretty much clear. So you want to spread that glue down as thin as possible so that it can dry evenly and clear really fast, where you won't have like spots that's not dry yet or whatever. So yeah, you just want to spread it out thinly with something. So anyway, this girl, she didn't have nothing else to do, so she just acting a fool in the camera while we waiting on the glue to dry, and I'm just eating my ice as usual. So yeah, she is a mess. So anyway, the glue is dried. It still look white there, but it's pretty clear on my end. I think that's just the camera has shown up on the camera. But that glue, that Eben glue, it comes out like a fluorescent looking blue color, neon blue or something like that. But it dries clear, and so but it works really well. I mean, if you don't want to spend $20 on ghost bun or whatever the other one, I can't think of the name of the other one, you can just get that glue. And then you just want to start taking your rat tail comb. I use the metal rat tail comb, and I just start laying the hair down. If you have any edges that's not completely laid, like I have some right there in the front, you can just take a little bit on the end of your rat tail comb of that glue and just go in and put it under there and just make sure you spot glue it so everything will be laying. So anyway, I just took some black wrapping strips too, and I folded them in half, and I tied her hair down, and we let it sit for a few minutes, and it's completely melted into her head. So she didn't have to have any baby hair. We could have kind of just styled it and you know, like curved it a little bit so it'll look more natural, not going straight back. And but y'all know this is Cachet, and she loves her baby hair, so we're doing some baby hair. She likes baby hair, so we're doing it. She specifically asked for some like her friend Peyton's hair, so that's what we're gonna do. You don't have to do any baby hair, or you can just do a little bit, but it's totally up to you, like I tell y'all all the time. So it's whatever your preference is. So I'm just cutting the hair about 1 inch, and then I'm leaving the sideburns long. And y'all, I was out of every damn thing. I'm serious. This was late night, so we couldn't even go to the beauty supply either. And this was like an impromptu video. We didn't know we was actually going to do this video this day, because I actually was going to use the hair for somebody else, and then we ended up putting it on her. But I'm out of the Nairobi. And all I had was my Silk Elements foam wrap, and it's too wet to do the baby hair with, so I decided to opt out and not do the baby hair with the Silk Elements, since I didn't have the Nairobi. And I just went in with some the black container of the Got To Be gel, and it works really well. Also, I would suggest that if you once you do get the baby hairs done, before you wrap them up, I would blow dry them. Spray a little bit of Got To Be Free spray or some type of holding spray on them after you set your baby hairs the way you want them, and also a little bit of oil sheen or some type of oil spray, and go in with the blow dryer and make sure that the hair is mostly molded and pretty much almost dry, and then tie it down with the black wrapping strips. This particular day we was pressed for time because she had to be at work that night also, so we didn't even tie it down after that. I'm sure she went home and tied it down or did whatever to it once she made it home, but all we did was use the blow dryer and blow dried it, and she went on her way. And this is also deep wave hair, so we didn't have to do any curls to it. I'm just trying to perfect her baby hairs, just making sure that they're all curved and laying the way she wants them to be laid. Okay, so here I'm just going in with the blow dryer and just making sure that the baby hair is set, and also trying to dry the hair just a little bit because she's going to wear it in the natural state, but a little puffy. So I'm just drying the baby hairs and the hair at the same time, kind of. And so, yeah. We did not tie this hair down this time, so if once you get done molding your baby hairs, you want to just go in with a silk or satin scarf, cotton scarf, any kind of scarf, or some wrapping strips, and just tie the hair down. Since we was pressed for time, we really didn't have time. So anyway, this is the finished hair. I have the links listed below to this hair. The hair was sent to us by Rosabeauty.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.